Akiaria thingira-ini wa iregi hindi igongona riu, President William Ruto ni orĩtie ateithiriria acio a maminister matungatire muingi wa bururi atari muthutukanio niguo gukinyanirio thii wa nambere.
I, Catherine Wanjiku Waruguru, being appointed a Chief Administrative Secretary.
I didn't hear anybody swear to serve their families or villages or communities or counties. I do expect each and every one of you to serve the people of Kenya in their entirety and the Republic of Kenya as constituted.
Akioneka tare gutetera itua riake ria kwamura ingi ateti aria magoire hindi ya githurano kinene, President ugite kuneka kwa muiko ti kwa mwisho wa kuruga ngima na mundu ndagirire ni gutwirwo tondu ni agoire.
I, Wilson Sosion, being appointed,
I refuse to condemn anybody who attended one interview and did not succeed. That if they didn't succeed in one interview, then they are not fit to serve in any other capacity. I think each and every one of us deserves another chance.
President ni ateterithitie wiruteri wake kurehe na kunyitithania muingi wa bururi hamwe hatari guthingata mirugamo ya giuteti, akiuga ithurano ni ciahitukire na ni hariirie kunyitanira na atongoria kuma ituri ciothe cia bururi.
I even went out of my way to appoint people who may not have necessarily voted for me, because the elections are behind us. We must come together, irrespective of how we voted, irrespective of what political parties we voted for or who we voted for. It is now time for us as a country to come together.
Ateithiriria ya 50 mehitithirio thutha wa speaker wa bunge ya bururi Moses Wetangula kuga bunge ndiri na uhoti wa kumathuthuria na gucokia maritwa mao kuri mutongoria wa bururi. Kwamurwo kwao ni kurehete kieji muti gukirikana na beno ni nene muno undu uria gucungirira kuongerereka kwa garama ya mahuthiro kuri thirikari.
I, Crisantas Wamalo Wahungu,
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.